Most people have never been involved with a lawsuit in their life, fortunately. Every once in a while, though, they will get served with a lawsuit, or maybe they need to bring a lawsuit or some type of legal action against somebody else. That can be a very daunting and crippling task for a lot of people who've never been faced with it before. Sometimes we'll get clients that come in and say, hey, I just had somebody that knocked on my door last night. This is what they gave me. It's a lawsuit. What do I do? Where do I go? Where's the courthouse at? I don't know what to do at this point. Or conversely, they might be in a situation where they need to bring legal action against somebody who is causing some harm to them. They don't know what to do. Where's the courthouse? What do I file with the court? These are all understandable questions that can be quite complex when you get down to the heart of it. That's a good reason to hire a lawyer. We do have the training necessary to defend lawsuits or bring lawsuits for people that are involved in a situation where they need to hire a lawyer. Our job here at Denton & Peterson is to always make the client feel comfortable that they have a competent attorney who knows what they're doing, that can navigate the waters of litigation or a lawsuit. Not every attorney is trained in litigation. That is going to the courthouse, filing the papers that need to be filed, when they need to be filed, knowing when disclosure statements need to be drafted and filed and exchanged with the other side. There are a lot of complex statutes, rules of civil procedure that really govern what litigants, plaintiffs and defendants, need to do at certain stages of the lawsuit. It's important for a client to have a lawyer to help them navigate this process, and it's also just as important for that client to feel confident that their lawyer knows what they're doing. Our job as the lawyers here is to take this stress that's associated with that lawsuit, take that away from you. Let you go on with your life so that you can live your life. You have other things that you need to deal with. Our job is to put your mind at ease and say, hey, look, we know this is stressful for you. Let us use the skills that we've learned to help you navigate through this process. You go on with your life. We'll deal with the headaches. Our job is to keep you informed at every stage. What's the status of the lawsuit? What can I expect over the next 2 months, the next 6 months? What's happening right now? What can we do to help make this go away or to ease the burden that's on me? Once we inform you of those options, your job is just to let us know, hey, this is the option I want to do. I want to do this option because it's going to, maybe I have this other thing going on in my life right now that while normally I would go with option one, option two is better for me. Okay, great. Now you go on with your life. Let us deal with the headaches and the stress of that. That's what a good litigator, a litigation attorney, will do for their clients. There are always options, and you are in the driver's seat to choose. Sometimes what occasionally will happen, unfortunately, is people will get involved in a lawsuit where they don't want to hire a lawyer. They want to do it on their own, which is understandable. But we inevitably will see them 5, 6 months down the road and say, hey, look, I tried this lawsuit thing on my own. Here we are 6 months into the lawsuit. I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm in over my head. While it's a noble thing to try to navigate that on your own, it often can be penny wise and pound foolish to do so because we end up doing a lot of damage control in those situations. And if clients will come to an attorney, at least at the very beginning, if for no other reason than to get a good initial assessment, they can save themselves a lot of time and headache down the road if they were to try to do this on their own, where they're inevitably going to miss various deadlines that they're just not going to know because they're not trained in litigation. Here at Denton & Peterson, we are trained in litigation. We're very experienced and comfortable in the courtroom. And our job is to make your life easier if you find yourself in the unfortunate situation where you're involved with a lawsuit.